Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Bossrox DIY Solar, and I wasn't expecting to have to do any more solar videos, but as it turns out, I got an issue here that I want to report to y'all. If any of you are using this type of meter for your battery bank, what I found out is that the longevity of them is not very long. They'll last about a year to a year and a half, and what happens is the backlight starts getting weaker and weaker, and eventually it'll flicker out. So I just had to replace one, and you can take a look on a brand new one. The brightness is pretty significant, whereas an older one like this one here, you can see it's quite a bit weaker. So realizing that eventually I'm going to have to replace all these meters, I decided to look for something else, and I came up with this. And this meter pretty much gives me all the same information that the other meter does. It gives you the time remaining at the amount of amps that's being used, how much time is remaining for that battery to go completely dead. You can set your amp hour rating for the bank and your high voltage setting, and then you got an amp reading here that tells you whether you're discharging or charging, and how many watts it is, whether it's minus watts or plus watts. The only thing I don't like about it compared to the other one is it doesn't stay on full time. I would prefer it to be on all the time, but it's really not so bad because it only stays off when it's at zero. As soon as it starts discharging or charging, the light will reactivate and it'll come back on and tell you what's going on. So that's not so bad. And the price on these is about $10 cheaper than those over there. So whereas this cost me about $20. That one there will cost you $30 plus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be ordering about a dozen of these to eventually replace all of these when they go bad. And in a future video, we'll find out what the longevity on these meters are, how well they hold up. So that'll be in a future video sometime. And until that time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, whenever that is.